Most of the commands in the Page Setup group of the Page Layout tab are related to how the worksheet will be printed. The margins icon is used to specify the margins of a worksheet. You can select from the normal, wide, and narrow options or define custom margins. The orientation icon is used to specify whether the layout of the printed worksheet should be landscape, that is horizontal, or portrait, that is vertical. Currently, this worksheet has portrait orientation. In the print preview, you can see that the content is split over 2 pages. Close the preview. Now, click the orientation icon and select landscape. This time, the preview shows the worksheet positioned horizontally on a single page. The size icon in the Page Setup group of the Page Layout tab is used to specify the size of the paper on which you will print your worksheet. The Print Area icon is used to mark a specific area of a worksheet for printing. Say, you want to print only the table with sales data in this worksheet. First, select the table, then click Print Area and select Set Print Area. In the print preview, you can see only the area you specified. Later, if you want to print the entire worksheet, you can clear the specified print area by selecting Print Area, Clear Print Area. The background icon in the Page Setup group of the Page Layout tab is used to display a picture as the background of a worksheet. Click Background. In the Insert Pictures window, you can specify the location of your picture file. To insert a picture from your computer, click From a File. Browse to the required picture and click Insert. Note that this background will not get printed. To remove the background, click Delete Background. If you want to print a picture in the background of your worksheet, you will need to follow some other steps to get the effect. On the Insert tab, select Illustrations, Shapes. Select Rectangle. Drag to draw a rectangle of the size of the background you want. Now, on the Contextual Format tab, select Shape Fill, Picture. To insert an existing picture file, select From a File. Browse to the picture and click Insert. You will need to make this picture transparent to view the worksheet contents. On the Contextual Format tab, under Picture Tools, in the Adjust group, select Artistic Effects, Artistic Effects Options. In the right pane, select Fill and Line. Under Fill, select Picture or Texture Fill. Now drag the transparency slider to the right to adjust the transparency of the picture. When you print the worksheet, you can see the background. This is because it is not actually the background, but the shape that you are printing. The Print Titles icon in the Page Setup group of the Page Layout tab is used to specify the rows and columns to be printed at the top of each page. This is useful when you need to print a worksheet containing a large number of rows. This worksheet will require 2 pages for printing. You want the name of the school and the column headings to appear on both pages. On the Page Layout tab, in the Page Setup group, click Print Titles. In the displayed window, click on the rows to repeat at top box and then click the Collapse button, that is, the square box with the small arrow at the right end. Press the Shift key and select the rows you want and then click the Expand button in the collapsed window. Click OK. Now view the print preview. Click the right arrow at the bottom to preview the next page. You can see that both pages display the heading rows. You can set the columns to repeat at left in a similar way for wide worksheets with a large number of columns. Here, the first two columns are repeated on both printed pages.